It's 400. It's I have 400 ping right now. So, medyo may delay lang tayo. Up, okay. Build muna tayo. Let's build what we can build. Gadget. Extend the read white charges by 1. Okay, we're good. Oh shit, it's gonna be a Pyke mid lane. Oh no. It's gonna be a Malphite mid lane. Pyke support. Okay. Bro. Episode 7, bro. It was good. It was so good, bro. It was so good. Fuyu. Hello. Welcome. Have I seen you? Have I visited you? Are you streaming? Are you a streamer? Why do you sound familiar? Fuyu. Load sa WeChat wallet. So bali ko convert ka muna, then WeChat wallet, then ano, basta komplikado masyado kaya hindi ako nag-top.
Kumuha ka ng prayo mo diyan.
Sige, hindi na ako sasama sa inyo ha.
Hindi ka pa magre-reset?
Wala Yasuo dito.
Wait lang bot lane ha. Tara.
Kasi ang confirmed natin na champion for release next year is gonna be Poppy and Rumble.
Magsalita.
Hello.
Si Rebenga na bahala. Si Rebenga. Ayan.
Meron kami dito representative ng
Oh my god, mga larong-laro. Grabe to. What the fuck? Man, ano ba problem about login kay Wal? Nagasumpong talaga. Puang. Come on. There we go. Now we're connected. Okay. Hold on.
Bakan, Waldrift.
Ayan, naka-mute muna tayo. Okay, sino pa ang gusto? Pahirapan natin naman talunin team nyo, boss. Ang lalakas. Ate, may mas malakas sa amin. Nakita nyo na ba yung pa? Oh, pataas. Okay, we're good. Pataas naman. We go. Meron sa mobile? I don't think so. Hello by the way. Cough. Yan, wala. Pero wala eh. Wala talaga siyang kwenta eh. Yung nalugi yung Nasus namin kaya pala siya nagano. Sige. Tulungan ko siya sa ano.
Rampage. Enemy double kill.
Anong screen share gamit mo? Yung sa Mira share lang, sa screen capture sa ng Windows. Yun lang yung gamit ko. Hindi na ako nag-install ng ibang app. Twisted Fate into sudden death by that Lee Sin, bro. We're just gonna push. No big deal.
Tatang type na naman sila mga sa. Grabe nga sila dun eh. Mid-tank baron, wala na akong magawa tol. Dadi na ako nag-Kha'Zix eh.
May Heimerdinger kasi. Ayaw papigil itong Heimer eh. Larong-laro eh. Lose streak siguro to sa rank. Practice tool na lang muna tayo. Wag na muna tayo mag-bot match. Sige. Boss, nag-shoutcasting ka ba dati? Ay, Heimerdinger kasi. Ayaw papigil itong Heimer eh. Larong-laro eh. Lose streak siguro to sa rank. Okay. I like her design in 2xKO. Yes! Everyone likes her design in 2xKO, bro. And yep, we own platinum now. Restart!
Top lane Aizen, tapos Degrees ADC, di ba?
Ah, IDC.
Ayaw mo na.
It's because of stupid. Buti na lang wala masyadong maadahin. So, good job Darius. Patayan. Nice. Good job Garen pala. Dito tayo. I need your help, please. Okay, you can push tower pala. You have Renata Glass sana next season. Oh, Renata Glass. Ooh. You know what? That's actually a good shot. Alam kong mas maraming players sa akin na mas sanay sa claw mode pagdating sa MOBAs. And that's coming from me, a player that came from Vayne. Wala. Okay. Warded.
Oh, sabat.
Okay talaga yung Ambessa pag si Boss Reps daw gumagamit, pag kalaban daw hindi. Oh.
Uy, bossing. Shots fired, bossing. Grabe naman kayo. Hindi sila maayos mag-smite. 'Di ba? Gold pa lang may katapat ka ng halimaw kaso basura matchmaking. Yes, I am Aizen Hearts. The one and only. Kamusta ka? Uy, wait lang. Starting na sila. Ayan, ayos eh. Okay. Try and get that one. Hirap ba si Reben dito? Parang hirap siya eh. Nagasumpong talaga. Puang. Come on. There we go. Now we're connected. Okay. Think about it, bro. Think about it. It wasn't Salo anymore. It was just a puppet. But think about it. And this is a spoiler. We're good. We're good with the objective. Nice. Kaso, oy, okay. Wala na yung pinakamalaking size ng ultimate niya. Good for a whole team. So, hindi na siya lalaki after that. So, as you may have noticed. God, nice. I'm gonna have to go. Sorry.
Attack the dragon.
You know.
I'm sorry, my glorious King Jace. I doubted your actions. I told you, bro. Jace is innocent. Jace did nothing wrong, bro. They're probably united. Hopefully.
Default skin by any Victor sa Wild Rift or in the this is the default skin. And this is gonna be the default version of what. No. Let's see. Tuwan-tuwa sila sa Garen jungle, yo. Hop, sayang. Okay, we have our ultimate na. Okay. Do you play TFT? Yes, I do. Is this AI? Yes. Ano, on the Chinese server? Okay. Okay, that's a good fight right there. May nanalo na, boss. Yes, nanalo ka. Kalabanan yan 1v1. Di ko pa buo yung Lich Bane ko. Buuin ko muna. I'm gonna have to farm up again.
Enemy turret.
Sayang yun. Hindi, ano din kasi sila. Alam kong mas maraming players sa akin na mas sanay sa claw mode pagdating sa MOBAs. And that's coming from me, a player that came from Vayne something yung time travel kineme niya. And Warwick is alive as well. Jinx was there, diba? As well. So that's the present timeline. That's considered. Hello, SKT1 Faker. Hello. Welcome to the stream. Good evening pala sa'yo. And Silly Pixel. Hello. And welcome to the stream. Ano siya? Naka-undying siya? Loko yun ah. Kaya mamatay. Shimmer, refine. You can build any champion. You can use any champion for any build as long as you know how to use it. Diba? Meron akong streamer na nakasama dati.
Yan, nakakita mo yan sa baba.
Gito ah.
Ano naiwasan yan? Ganun ba yung pag chicken legs yung Victor nakakaiwas?
Oo, ano?
Hop.
Tinatama.
Oh shit, she's back home. He's back home. What?
Ayan. So, yan. Yung empowered natin. Kapag na-empower yung E ability, pumuputok siya.
He didn't even... Could at least say goodbye.
Good gank by good gank attempt by Ornn. Here we go. Oy!
Wag na.
Wag
Marami na sila
na.
nagamit dyan. Marami na.
May buhay pa pala yung Lulu.
Boss Reps, basta lang. Hindi, meron na. Cool na to.
Ay, Ari.
Wala pa rin F.
Sabi ni Mama, hello to Kaloy.
My screen is always black and white. No colors.
Ay!
Black and white.
Shimla!
Killing spree.
Shimla!
Diba? Oh, they got both scuttle crabs. This Mundo is good. Okay. Oh. Diba? Pero, you know, it is how it is. But congratulations, my son. And I hope that you enjoy your streaming. Talk streamer, Wildrift, content creator. May showmatch sila mamaya. Please, papanalonin nyo na sila. Parang awa nyo. Nahahayaan nyo naman mag-enjoy yung mga... Oh my God. Counter Victor. Yung hard counter, yung mga hard counter na champions kay Victor, madami. Di ba? Hindi lang si Mayone.
Sorry na kagad, sorry.
Sorry na agad.
Alam ba nila yung hidden word ban natin doon?
Oo nga. Oo nga.
Napansin niyo ba yung banning?
Napansin yung banning namin.
Yeah. Oh, hello everybody. Hello. Kailan kaya release ng Jace Paranoid skin? Kenji, opening scene. Pwede ko magbasa. Okay. Fuko, hey, thank you for the third gift, for being the third gifter, man. I appreciate you. Ibang arc na yata. No. This will be the final season for Arcane. Yan, hello pala sa inyo. I have health. Napapapare tuloy ako. I don't usually say that word. Pero nahawa na ako dun sa mga... Ano? Andiyan yung besa. My bad. Kasi may tumatawag.
Okay. May tumatawag pala kay Aizen eh.
Ako ng mahabang oras. Aizen, tumaba ka ha. Nakilala lang kita sa Nemol. Yeah, I grew a little wider. I grew a little wider. Oh, Tristana is there. Sige, tumapa ka. Gumalaw ka ng kakaiba. Diba?
Okay. Wait lang.
Okay, sige lang, okay lang.
Gold. Okay lang, nabawi.
Try ko tong mid, try kong i-push itong mid. Try kong i-dep tong mid.
Sige, tap mo lang yung mid boy.
May wave pa nagpupush sa bot. So, that Echo and Jinx had some sort of relationship since they were kids, bro. There we go, the hub. This is the hub. Ayan. Here we go. Minsan lang may mag-ward sa camp ko. Salamat. Diana is here. Ay, Diana mid. Sino yung jungler? Don't fight, please. I do not have my ultimate yet. Hey, thank you for the heart, Lord Mano. Salamat sa'yo. I appreciate you guys. Oh, akin yan. Sorry ka. Sorry ka po. That's
Bigla! Sige, magtatank build ako para sa'yo. Tatank build na ako. Para pogi. Yan. Okay.
So tapan ako, tap lo.
Tap lo. Ubusin natin lahat wild quest nito mga kakampi natin. Okay. Okay, seryoso ha.
Okay.
Ano ginamit ni Karma? Kha'Zix?
Oh, main yan eh. Guys, Dito muna tayo. The old girl is back. Hello, welcome back. We missed you. LeBron James. Na lang natin tong mga to. Kahit dire-diretso na lang tayo.
Tama lang, Chris.
Okay. Recall ako.
Ano? Okay lang, okay lang, okay lang. Okay lang.
Pustong
Wala
mid,
mo,
pustong
Chris.
mid.
We are, yeah, I think this is gonna be the last game na. Yeah, this is gonna be the last game. Ay, hindi, hindi. Papa Emerald lang tayo. Pa Emerald lang tayo, tas end na tayo ng stream. Oh my god. So, dito muna. Hello, welcome to the stream. Okay. Sino ba to? Jess, AJ, hello, hello. Welcome to the stream, boys. I appreciate you for dropping by. And welcome to the stream. 3-0 2.0. Ayun na naman. La, ang layo ko kay Nila. Someone who can rewind fucking time, bro. Here we go. Let's see. May ano sila dito? Sino mamamatay dito? Again. Sip. Nordic, hello, hello.
Gusto mong masabi sa iyong teammates and also sa kabilang team na team ba?
Ang masasabi ko lang sa teammates ko is, syempre, malalakas yung mga yan, kaya...
Nice, oh. Oh. Yeah, that one's on me, Madami sila masyado. Akala ko iniwan lang nila yung Leon eh. Okay. Yep. Okay. We're gonna be fine. If Jax is on top lane, we're gonna be fine. Yung Caitlyn. Kasi pag full grit yung set, tas nag-feed yan. Diba? Naka-terminus na rin pala si Ashe. Hop. Pantheon ultimate. Mag-TP kaya ako instead of QSS. Para lang masaya. Uy, sila pati yung ADC. Ang inang yan, wala kayong kwenta. Pero it's grindy and ayan. Clutter lang. Makalat lang siya sa paningin ko. Ayan. And ito yung parang skin emporium niya. Ano no? Ziggs pala. Ziggs yung kalaban natin sa mid lane kanina. Ito TF na to. But sobrang lag ya.
Yes, episode 9 na. Kakatapos lang natin ng episode 8. This is it, boys. This is it. Grand finale. The final episode. After this, we say goodbye to Arcane for now.
For mage-born people, 'di ba? Para maging safe haven nila. Yun yung talagang specific na ginawa nung yung bronze sa China pang diamond sa sea server. Hindi naman. Ano lang talaga sila. Inayos ko kasi yung tawag dito. Inayos ko kasi yung hey Brand, asan na yung bilog? What? Yeah, yo, is this PBE or the showdown is released na? Yes, the showdown is released na. Hello, by the way, Masan. Ayun, ito yung hinahanap kong bilog eh.
Mga banning namin.
Hindi ko napansin.
Mga big brain
Kasi
banning.
yun yung pinag-isipan talaga namin eh. First game, ano ba namin? Ano ba natin? Soraka.
Saan besa?
Oo.
Oh, game.
Pwede ko nga yung nag-aaral.
6 seconds, lock.
Pwede yan. Basta may fronts tayo kasi ganyan jungle natin eh.
Yan.
Oh, dito tayo. Dito natin ibaba. Ayan o. Dito natin ibaba yan para distracted sila.
No spoilers, guys.
Kasi soul point na din sila. Soul na sila actually. Soul na sila. Jax wants to try Elder. Looks like I'll only be streaming for 2 hours tonight. Level 62 na tayo. We go for the more slow. And Olaf versus Seth for the top lane, okay. Kaso pag nag full grit to si Seth, kailangan kong ano. Okay, akin to. Salamat sa pabuya. Salamat sa biyaya. Okay, I'm gonna need to put this here para lang matulungan si Kennen. CN ka na lang boss para more tilt. Hindi na ako matitilt sa CN. Sige, ililipat natin to sa CN. Kahit 2 games lang tayo dun sa CN. We still have time. Yung sa feeling yung animation. Kazu, hello Kazu. Ayun, nagugulo lang ako. Okay, ito na. Let's see if this fixes the stupid. Let's see if this fixes the problem, okay? Eka lang ah. Wala. Pinaulanan ko na ng skills. Inubos ko na lahat ng skills ko sa kanya. Mapatay lang